Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Check this out. This 31-year-old lady makes $15,000 a month recording voiceovers. And the interesting part is that she only works 3 to 5 hours a day. Wow. That's interesting, right? So guys, let me ask you a question. Are you tired living paycheck to paycheck? Do you have a passion for voice acting but don't know where to start? Look no further, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your passion for voice acting into a profitable career or a side hustle business so you can earn up to $15,000 a month recording voiceovers. I'll also show you what voiceover platforms are the best to use and the tips and tricks for you to succeed in the industry. FYI guys, voiceover work can be very lucrative and enjoyable career, but it takes more than just one voice to be successful. That being said, the voiceover industry is booming right now and the demand for talented voice actors is at an all-time high. From commercials to animations to audiobooks, the opportunities are endless. Also, with the rise of streaming platforms and the increasing popularity of podcasts, the demand for voiceovers is only going to continue to grow. So here are 5 tips and tricks on how to make $15,000 a month recording voiceovers. Number 1. Invest in a high-quality microphone. Guys, the first step of recording a voiceover is to have the right equipment. You see, investing in a high-quality microphone will ensure that your recording sound professional and of the best possible quality. For ease of use, consider investing in a USB microphone, which can be easily connected to your computer. Number 2, develop your skills. While a great voice is important, it's not the only thing that matters. So, take the time to develop your skills and learn how to use your voice effectively. This includes learning how to control your breath, how to use different inflections, and how to project your voice. In all this, consider taking a class or working with a vocal coach to improve your skills. Number 3, build a strong online presence. Guys, the internet is a great way to reach potential clients, so it's important to build a strong online presence. This includes creating a website, building a social media presence, and creating a portfolio of your work. Make sure to showcase your best work and include your contact information so that potential clients can easily reach out to you. Number 4, network. You see, networking is a key to building a very successful voiceover career. One way you can go about doing this is by attending industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with other voiceover artists. You can actually connect with voiceover artists using either LinkedIn or Facebook. This will help you build relationships with potential clients and learn about new opportunities. Number 5, being patient. That's right, building a successful voiceover career takes time, so it's very important to be patient. While conducting research, I found out that it could take a while before you start earning significant income, as you might only be earning a trickle here and there. But don't get discouraged, because as long as you keep working hard, eventually the results will come. If you read the latest article, Who Made $15,000 a Month in Voiceover, she talked about having some slower months of work orders that filled her with self-doubt, but eventually she was able to overcome it. Alright guys, it's important to remember that recording voiceovers can be a great way to earn a significant income. But like I said, it takes more than just a great voice to be successful. So by investing in the right equipment, developing your skills, building a strong online presence, networking, and being patient, you can sure to build a successful voiceover business and start earning up to $15,000 a month. That being said, to help you achieve that financial goal, here are several platforms that you can use to find voiceover work. Some popular ones include voice.com, which is a marketplace for voice actors and clients to connect. You also have Upwork, which is a platform for freelance work, so be sure to check that out. Another interesting platform is Fiverr, which is another marketplace for freelancers to connect with clients. And finally, you've got ACX, which is a platform specifically for audiobook voiceovers. So guys, with the right tools and knowledge, you can turn your passion for voice acting into a profitable career. So don't wait any longer. Start recording so you can earn up to $15,000 a month, just like that lady as a voiceover artist starting today. Remember, the opportunities are endless, and with practice and perseverance, you can make it to the top. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, kindly share the video with anyone who wants to make money doing voiceovers. Also, click the notification bell so you can get notified each time I upload a new video. Until next time guys, always stay money smart. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.